If you're a small YouTube channel, posting long videos might be hurting your growth. The best video length on YouTube depends on how big your channel is, and most beginners get this wrong. The truth is that for small channels like mine, YouTube doesn't reward long videos. It rewards videos people actually finish watching from beginning to the end. You see, a 2-minute video watched till the end beats a 10-minute video people abandon watching it. Here is the truth I've learned from my other YouTube channels and my experience on YouTube for 4 years, that YouTube cares about one thing: keeping people watching. If your video helps YouTube do that, it gets shown to more people. That's how growth starts, by keeping viewers to your videos till the end. If they skip it or leave it, that's negative signal to YouTube algorithm. So what is the best length? For small channels, the sweet spot is 2 to 5 minutes, long enough to deliver value to the viewers and short enough to keep retention high. Here is a common mistake. Most beginners post long videos too early because they think longer means better. It doesn't. It kills your momentum if viewers don't finish watching your full video. Finished videos beat unfinished ones, and that helps your growth. If you're also starting from zero, this channel is for you. And in the next video, I'll show you how often small YouTubers should upload. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that, and comment down below what you think about this.